All right, Paul James here again. In this video, we're going to do a variation of the letter, and I like this one a lot. It takes a little bit more work. The cool part about it is you're comparing the business that you're interested in working with one of their competitors, and people hate being compared to their competitor, especially when you put them in a spot where they have the bad review and the competitor has the good review. So essentially that's what we're doing. Again, standard piece of paper that you want to send out, no fancy letterhead or anything. We want to grab their attention and make them think that this could be coming from a customer and it's just a letter rather than a solicitation. So that's the goal here. And that's just the way that's worked out well for me. You can test a different way if you want, but it's the same copy either way. So this one, the headline says, which restaurant would you eat at? And of course you could change this to, which plumbing company would you use, which hotel would you stay at? So just change it as to what fits best. And then we've got a screenshot with the bad review that says A, obviously that's the prospect, and then a good review that says B, and that's the prospect's competition. So we say, did you pick A or B? And then I say this was a trick question because I knew you'd pick B. But the truth is, A is your business. Okay, and then we go back into the exact same letter. Nothing different beyond that point. But this comparison thing works out really well. So let me show you how I set this up. I recommend grabbing that Snagit tool from Jing, like I showed in a previous video. Come on to Yelp here. I searched for hotels near Wisconsin Dells, and we're going to scroll down. Let's make sure we're sorted by highest rated. We are. And we're going to scroll to the last page where the lower ratings are. So here's one. Let's go find a bad review on this page, and we're going to screen cap it. So here it is. It's a bad one. So let's grab the Jing Snagit tool, highlight this review. There we go. Capture an image. Looking good. Now we're going to put in a text tool. I'm going to put A in this one, and we'll drag it into the corner. And we're going to save it. So we'll save that as A to the desktop. All right, good. Now let's go find a good review from one of their competitors. So we'll head to the first page. And we'll just grab one of these. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. So we're gonna grab the tool again. And this is why Snagit is awesome. To be able to add in those annotations right away, the A and B, is pretty great. It speeds the process up. And it's free, so why not? Okay, there we go. B. Let's drag this into place. We're going to save it as B to the desktop and save. Okay, now this is really easy. We come into our letter. We right click and hit change picture on A. So we'll change it with this one. There it is. Now we're going to change picture on this one to B. There we go. Looking good. And this was a hotel, so we're going to change the headline to which hotel would you stay at? And we're going to change this to hotel. All right, and there we go. I think that's the only things we need to change in this letter. And there we go. That's it. So this is the second variation of the letter. Works very well. Direct mail. Works good with email too. Definitely use it, try them both out, see which one you like better. This one takes a little more effort because you're having to compare two businesses, but it's very effective.